Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where today's tour is not just about luxury, it's about a completely different level of residential engineering, design, and vision. Today we're stepping inside a nearly $40 million architectural statement, located within one of Southern California's most exclusive gated communities. But what makes this property truly extraordinary isn't just its scale, price tag, or amenities, it's the story behind how homes at this level are conceived and built. Because there is a massive difference between a luxury spec home and a decade-long passion project. From the very first glance, the estate announces its presence with authority. Clean modern lines, a commanding structure, and a perfectly balanced blue-gray palette create a visual identity that feels both bold and timeless. This isn't flashy design chasing trends. This is calculated, intentional, and meant to age gracefully. As we approach the grand entrance, you immediately notice the symmetry, the precision, and the sense of arrival. Every proportion feels deliberate, every material choice feels elevated. Even before stepping inside, the home communicates something very important: permanence. And that theme continues the moment the doors open. The foyer doesn't simply welcome you, it establishes the mood of the entire residence. Double-height ceilings, controlled natural light, and a calm blue-gray interior environment create an atmosphere that feels serene, yet undeniably powerful. The floating staircase acts as a sculptural centerpiece, while polished surfaces reflect light with a subtle, understated elegance. Moving into the main living area, scale and comfort merge effortlessly. Floor-to-ceiling glass dissolves the boundary between interior and exterior, allowing daylight to flood the space. But despite the size, the room feels intimate, a hallmark of truly exceptional design. This is where custom homes begin to separate themselves from spec properties. Spec homes often aim to impress instantly. Custom estates, however, are designed to be lived in, to function beautifully for decades. Here, sightlines, acoustics, lighting, and flow are carefully orchestrated. Nothing feels accidental. The kitchen continues this philosophy of restrained sophistication. Clean geometry, premium materials, and a cohesive color story create a space that feels more like a designer showroom than a traditional cooking area. Yet everything remains highly functional, reminding us that luxury at this level is about usability as much as aesthetics. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area becomes a visual experience of its own. Lighting, textures, and spatial openness combine to create an environment that feels cinematic, perfect for both intimate dinners and large-scale entertaining. But it's the lifestyle amenities that push this estate into an entirely different category. The entertainment spaces are designed with the same architectural discipline as the main living areas. The TV lounge is immersive yet refined, a space engineered for comfort, sound quality, and visual impact. This isn't just a media room, it's a private cinematic retreat. The bedroom suites, meanwhile, redefine the concept of personal space. Soft lighting, calming tones, and expansive layouts create environments that feel like private luxury resorts. Every surface, fabric, and finish contributes to a unified sensory experience. Even the bathrooms reflect this obsessive attention to detail. Spa-inspired, tranquil, and meticulously composed, these spaces emphasize relaxation and material excellence rather than excess. And then we arrive at one of the most striking aspects of the property: the outdoor living experience. Here, architecture and landscape work in perfect harmony. The blue-gray design language continues seamlessly into the exterior, where water, stone, and open sky create a resort-level environment. The pool area doesn't feel like an addition to the home, it feels like an extension of its identity. Spaces like this are designed not just for leisure, but for emotion, for the feeling of escape, privacy, and exclusivity. Perhaps the most fascinating element of touring homes at this level is understanding what cannot be immediately seen. Structural integrity, engineering complexity, climate considerations, and material longevity all play crucial roles in estates of this caliber. True luxury is rarely about what's obvious. It's about precision, planning, and patience. This is why decade-long custom projects often possess a depth and character that spec homes struggle to replicate. They are built with long-term vision rather than short-term marketability. And that difference is felt in every corner of this residence. From its architectural presence to its interior atmosphere, from its lifestyle amenities to its construction philosophy, this estate represents more than just real estate. It represents a mindset, a commitment to building without compromise. Because at the highest level of luxury, homes are no longer simply purchased. They are created. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions on this extraordinary tour. If you appreciate rare properties, exceptional design, and the hidden details of elite real estate, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next showcase of the world's most remarkable homes.